Hi, I'm Vikrant Shaurya, founder of The Books Factory. I'm very excited to have you here to show you how you can become a #1 best-selling published author in just 180 days, even if you don't have the time or the right skill set to write a book, or you don't have any knowledge about the publishing industry. This best-selling book can help you grow your business, build your personal brand, have more clients, get more speaking opportunities, and raise your reputation in your field. Since 2014, The Books Factory has helped hundreds of entrepreneurs, coaches, experts, thought leaders, and professionals in making their dream a reality by assisting them to become best-selling authors. We have an amazing team who is passionate about book writing, publishing, and marketing, and together, they help you become a #1 best-selling published author so that you can reach your personal or business goals. We understand what works and what does not work in the publishing industry. When we were developing this book writing and publishing service, we realized that there was a recipe, just like baking a cake. And if you miss a step, the cake is a flop. Our 12-step, done-for-you blueprint system takes you from brainstorming your book ideas to writing and publishing. And we even market and promote your book. And because everything is done for you, we're going to do 90% of the heavy lifting for you, which will save almost all your time and effort. In this short video, you are going to discover how you can create a professional-looking #1 best-selling book in just 6 months. Guaranteed. Here is how it works. Step 1 is to find a perfect book writer for you. This writer must be able to relate to you and understand the topic of which you want to write a book. Most important, the writer must be able to write your entire book in your voice and retain your core message inside the book. These perfect book writers are called angel writers. Now, angel writers are different from ghost writers. Ghost writers will ask for the book outline from you. Once they have the outline, after 4 to 5 months, they will create a manuscript. The problem is, the ghost writer didn't understand their client, their message, their ideas, and their stories. What happens is the ghostwriter writes the entire book in their voice and not the client's. On the other hand, our angel writer's goal is to understand you, your ideas and stories, and most importantly, they retain your core message and voice inside your book. Your interview sessions get recorded, and the angel writer will write the chapters based on the audio recordings. You can review each chapter and ask for the revisions. And the best part is, our angel writers offer unlimited revisions. Now, you are probably asking, how do you help me find my perfect angel writer? First, we will ask you to fill out a book information form answering questions about your book idea, your vision of the book, your expectations, and anything else associated with searching your perfect angel writer. Once you fill out the form, we will share it with all the angel writers in our circle of influence. Currently, we have close to 1,000 angel writers in our circle of influence. Usually, within a week, we get more than 25 angel writers who are excited to work with you on your book. To make it easy for you, we shortlist 3 to 4 best angel writers among them, and we share their profiles, their writing samples, and why they think they are the right fit for your book. You can review their profile and interview them on the call before finalizing your ideal angel writer. So, you get to choose your perfect angel writer. Step 2. Next step is writing your book. Now, your angel writer will interview you for each chapter by eliciting great content from you and write the entire book in your voice based on the answers you provide on the interviews. Typically, within 3 months, your manuscript will be ready with your revisions. Plus, your angel writer will also write a creative and compelling description of your book. Step 3. Now it's time to have a second opinion about your book from a professional editor. We will assign a professional editor who is going to scan each and every word of your book, proofread it, and make sure the book is error-free before even going forward publishing. Step 4. Once your manuscript is ready, then our book designer will format your book to look great on all ebook readers, converting the text and images into an attractive, easy-to-read layout that keeps readers happily engaged. Step 5. We do paperback interior designing, where our book designer will cast a professional eye over every section of your manuscript like a foreword, dedication, chapters, etc., to create an attractive layout that enhances the reading experience. Step 6. our book cover designer will design the front cover, back cover, and spine of your book to be appealing and look amazing. The design will include the book cover for both the ebook as well as the paperback. Step 7. Next, our video team will create a stunning 1-minute trailer video of your book to generate enthusiasm among potential readers and inspire them to buy a copy. Step 8. When your book is ready to be published, we'll assign an ISBN to your book. We'll publish the ebook as well as the paperback version of your book on all the major publishing platforms. It'll be made available to thousands and thousands of retailers, libraries, schools, e-commerce companies, and other channel partners, including Amazon, Barnes & Noble, through our spectacular distribution channel. Once we publish your book, we'll send you 100 gift copies to your address, and you will be able to order unlimited copies at the production cost. Here's the best part. With the Books Factory, you retain all rights and ownership of the book, plus you keep 100% of your royalties. Step 9. Now it's time to market and promote your book. We'll advertise your book on relevant websites and social media pages to attract people's attention and drive sales. Step 10. We'll help you become a best-selling author with our book launch plan, ensuring that your book reaches the #1 position in at least one category on Amazon. Step 11. We will also get you reviews by sending your book to Amazon's top reviewers, along with others who may be interested in its topic. We will get you at least 15 verified reviews in the launch period. Step 12. And we don't stop there. We'll feature your book in press releases to more than hundreds of media sites, including the top-tier newswires like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, CW, which can position you as the go-to expert in your industry. So, these are the 12 steps done-for-you services through which we can help you to turn your ideas and expertise into a #1 best-selling published book. Also, we provide unlimited revisions on each service we offer to make sure you are super satisfied and happy with your book. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you want to remove all the roadblocks from your publishing journey and become a best-selling author in the next 180 days? If yes, then schedule a free consult with us now by going to www.thebooksfactory.com/consult. If you have already scheduled a call with us, then one of our author strategists will call you at your scheduled time to get you started on your publishing journey.